Filmmakers often employ various media techniques to enhance their overall work. One such method is ambient sound. This short video will look at the meaning and uses of ambient sound in film. According to MediaCollege.com, ambient sound is defined as the background sounds which are present in a scene or location. Such examples can include traffic, wind, nature, and crowds. The following 3 examples illustrate ambient sound in nature, traffic, and crowds. As we just discovered, the overall purpose of ambient sound is to add auditory qualities to the atmosphere of a scene. Additionally, ambient sound can act as a transition between shots, or provides a method to curtail awkward silences and pauses in between scenes.